welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am gonna do a cake donuts recipe. It is called cake donuts because I am gonna use baking powder instead of yeast. However, I will do donuts recipe using yeast in another video, maybe on another channel. I will put a link whenever that is available. So in the meantime, this is 1 cup of milk. To the milk I am adding 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, as well as 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So I'm gonna give it a good whip. I am also adding 2 eggs, eyes removed. In this container are 2½ cups all-purpose flour sifted, as well as 1 tablespoon baking powder. To the baking powder and the flour, I am adding 1/4 cup of butter. So I'm going to mix the flour, the baking powder, and the butter until granular, or as we say, until it resembles breadcrumbs. Look at it, right? It resembles breadcrumbs. It also feels like breadcrumbs. I think this is enough. So I'm gonna make like a well. So what I'm going to do now is to cover the dough and allow it to rest right on the countertop. I'm not going to put it in the fridge. I am going to clean up the countertop and let the dough rest for like 20 minutes. So people, after 20 minutes, I am kneading the dough for about 15 to 20 seconds, right? Get it nice and firm. Right. I am lightly flouring a flat surface. And I am gonna roll out the dough So I'm gonna try to get it to 1/4 inch thickness. So now I am going to use this glass as a cookie cutter because I do not have one and I'm not going to buy one. So I'm going to use this glass, right? And then I am going to use this cover. Once the oil is hot, now I am gonna add the donut. The heat is on low because I don't want the donuts to have to change color too fast. So I'm not gonna overcrowd the pot. So I allow the donuts to cool and then I dust with granulated sugar. Just soft. So stay tuned for part 2. I am going to use yeast in part 2 to make the yeast donuts. I rather the yeast donuts, to tell you the truth, but this is a quick and easy way to make donuts, especially when the kids are at home right now. Yeah man, so thanks for watching.